how to stop WhatsApp saving photos to gallery. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So your WhatsApp is automatically downloading the photos that's sent to you and it's taking up your storage. Then don't worry, I'll show you how to stop it. Let's get started. Open up your WhatsApp. Then you need to go to your profile icon in the bottom right corner. And then once you're in your settings, go to storage and data. And then scroll down and you can see media auto download. So go to photos, and if it is set to Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi and cellular, then set it to never. Similarly, you can do the same with audio, video, and documents. So, like this, WhatsApp will not automatically save your photos to the gallery. So, if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.